Investing isn't just about choosing the right stocks or mutual funds. It's also about staying invested for the long haul. The longer you stay invested, the better your chances of earning higher returns. Let's look at the numbers. If you stay invested for just 1 month, there's a 15% chance your returns will be over 7%. But stretch that time frame to 3 years and your odds jump to 78%. Hold on for 7 to 10 years and your chances of earning more than 7% skyrocket to 98 and 99%. Now, if you're aiming for returns over 10%, time is even more powerful. After just 1 year, your odds are 41%, but if you stay invested for 7 to 10 years, your chances raise to 83 and 84%. So remember, investing for the long term isn't just a strategy, it's your best shot at better returns. Don't chase short-term gains. Stay invested and watch your wealth grow. Invest smart, stay for the long term. Contact Funds India today for expert investment advice.